Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix MSVCP140.dll error in PUBG Lite. Type Visual C++ latest in browser search bar. Click latest supported Visual C++. Click File Explorer. Right-click Computer, Properties. My system type is 64-bit operating system. So I am downloading x64 based Visual Studio. Click Run. Accept license agreements and install. Click Restart to restart system. Type DirectX download. Click Download DirectX. Click Download. Click Accept Agreement. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. Click Login. Click Start Game. Click Start Game. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.